For the presentation to the great Carl Wellington. Let us talk about the legacy that is Professor Nuts. Nuts has given the Jamaican music industry more than 30 years of commitment and influence. A pioneer in creating the original comedic dancehall style, Professor Nuts has seen his career gone through many holy of transformation. Holy, listen. The artist has been involved in the development of dancehall in the aspect of fun, light, storytelling, entertainment from its inception. As a judge on the talent show, Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall, Lord Jesus, we miss it. Don't know, you miss it? You miss it too, you know, we miss it. Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall. For a decade, he has also helped shepherd new talent to the forefront of dancehall here in Jamaica. A lot of times we don't acknowledge the work of persons who have paid their dues until too late. Too late. Professor Nuts is finally getting his flowers as a true pioneer in music and entertainment. The artist community is especially supportive of Nuts being the first to receive the award, valued at more than $1 million Jamaican dollars. What leap! Veterans and new acts alike see this as well-deserved. In a special interview, Barrett Hammond also endorsed Nuts receiving the award. Professor Nuts deserves more than an award, you understand? He has done well at his job. So this golden mic is well-deserved. A big-time award this, and he is the Professor Nuts, yes, at his craft. You see it, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together as we celebrate the talented and hilarious Professor Nuts.
Come on, let's hear it louder than that for the very something legend in the building. He is here. Let's give him his flowers right now, people. Professor Nuts. Yes, sir. King Yellowman is also on the stage. So on behalf of the promoters of the very first 14K of golden microphone, let's hear it for the man himself, ladies and gentlemen. Professor Nuts being joined by members of his team as well. Grab a big record to the boss. I read icon tonight. Take your photos. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. The one and only Professor! Your time now, Professor!
Whoa, I opened my eyes this morning. I know that I am blessed. I wanna dance, yes, I wanna sing tonight. I got that to know. Heart is overflowing with joy and love and happiness. There is so much things to say tonight in our Ruggu concert. Professor Nuts, you're stronger, yeah. You're a fighter, reaching higher to where you've never been before. You are stronger, and you're a fighter. You make your stand. Here you are. You are number one. Number one. Ruggu Nuts. Good night, everybody. Greetings. Well, I tell you. Remember we went there with us coffee house and start broke out over there. You never did that plan for this one. I know. It's all love. Your family them love you, everybody love you, fans them love you. But already why you so? I say easy I try to find a note and thing. I have two little hits and I go on, so I go try to sing them theme and so the man. Now I go faint up on the Victorian station. So we got a good time man, the man fix and thing, you know, we got a good time man. Yellow man, big up yourself. My name is Alfie.
Alright.
Whoa. La. So when they say to me, oh, you got me waiting. Come on and do it. Stop pretending. Got something like this. Here we are. Come up front. In this big old empty room. Staring each other down. You want me just as much as I want you. So let's stop fooling around. Take me, Professor Nuts. Kiss me all over. Honey, play with my life. Baby, you know that's all I've been singing, dreaming of. Do me, baby, Professor, like you never done before. Oh, give it to me till I just can't take no more. Come on, do me, baby, yeah, like you never done before. Whoa. Just can't take it on. Oh yeah, here we are, looking for a reason to celebrate tonight, yeah? For you to lay it down. You see, for our love from out to you it's never out of season. So baby, please stop teasing me. Whoa. Never love no other. Yo, you're the best baby ever had. Whenever you drive across Professor Nuts' border, you don't know you crossed the wrong man. Like you never done before. You want to say something?
Oh, you seem so sweet. Do you take this awful man to be your awful buddy?
Come here. I did this song and it went to #1. And I got dedicated especially to you. It's my favorite song. Favorite song now. Yeah, kind of grew up on me now, so I hear tune this. Band on the stand. Let's
Yes.
go.
Take the photos, let's go. Icons in the business. On stage, King Yellow Man paying tribute to his brother.
Yeah, man. Well, I mean, I tell you, no, but, yeah, but we have to live now. We have to live. Never say never. You understand? So, listen, when you are, you can know. And people, a lot of people think, Yellow Man, Professor Nuts, would have passed on God. We're still there. I've been out telling the one what we eat. So we're still there. So, Nuts, why you talk to them, you know? Why the man not clean?
Just before you launch into your speech, Professor Nuts, because of your time for your speech yet to know.
No, I was just telling
You
you.
have to the thanks.
No, this is his thanks. This is the thanks I'm gonna give to this virgin before I collect anything. This man is my inspirer. Yellow Man inspired me. Every lyrics in the year me DJ now, and when I hear me drop my vibes. This is the man I got all of that from. When him DJ one thing I said, if you know Africa, Yellow Man come, they put themselves in a hot water, and they go to buy it. That was the best thing I heard in a long from a little youth, and that's how I build my lyrics.
And the best comedy, the greatest comedy entertainer. And the man make me laugh. I don't know me the man to laugh. But the man make me laugh. The man have a lyric said, I shit that our shoes. You have to excuse me now, baby. Never.
Thank you so much, the King Yellow Man. I just want the folks to see this trophy that you're going to receive right here, my brother. They've heard about it, and it's basically $1 million. But they need to know it is actual 14 karat gold. Yes. And of course it has some black diamonds here on the microphone at the top. So just in case I try to work out the money, that's all the thing, and I'm in the value of the thing go. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time when we're making this official presentation. Kirby Diva, we're going to make the official presentation to Professor Nuts, the real professor. So I hope the man on the stand is ready to go.